What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catamize coming at you. New video, different type of video. As you can see, I got my Mad Dog, my CHUCKUS, Ruckus, whatever you want to call it. Just got my battery in, a lithium MMG Model 4 version. The point of this video is because got the R6 tail light. I'm trying to hook it up to my Ruckus, CHUCKUS, whatever you want to call it. And there was no video showing how to do this. The videos that's been posted, they tell you they're gonna show you, but they hook it up, they don't give you the wiring diagram. So in this video, there's gonna be a couple parts to this video showing you how to hook it up, starting all the way from the front. So this first video is gonna be the R6 tail light, figuring out what wires goes to what. And as you can see, I have two, one with the plastic still on and the other with the plastic off. As you can see, this one is used. The one in my hand right here is already fried. It didn't work. This one's brand new, just came in. My battery just came in as well. So without further ado, I'm gonna try to get to this and start with this R6 tail light to show what wire is what. Excuse me. I'm trying to do this with no assistance. I'm gonna sit this here and hopefully I can get this done. So first thing you need to do, get a pen and a pad to take note of what we're about to do. To start off, you got 5 wires. You got the white, the yellow, the black, the red, and the blue. Each wire does something different. Of course, this is the sequential R6 tail light. That being said, bear with me if my camera falls over. I just got my GoPro, whatever. But so start one by one. The first thing you do, get the black wire that goes to the negative. All the other wires go to the positive. With that being said, this fried tail light, move it out the way. Move the new light so you can see it. So first, touch your black wire to the negative, and first wire pops up is the white. So we'll start with the white. Touch your black wire to the negative, touch your white wire to the positive. Hold on. Reposition this so you can see it. Sit it on top. I'll sit it upside down so that groove holds it. So here we go. Sorry about that. Touch your black wire to the negative, touch the white wire to the positive. 1, 2, 3. 3 blinks and then a solid. That's your brake light, because the sequential headlight has a chip in there that makes it blink 1, 2, 3, and then it's solid. So that means the white wire is your brake light. Next wire, any wire you choose, go to the blue light. Touch your black wire to your negative, touch the blue wire to the positive, and you see that blinking. I have the tail light upside down, so that means that's the left turn signal. Touch it, it's blinking, that's the left turn signal. So now you know the blue wire is the left turn signal. Next wire that popped up in my hand is the yellow. So touch your black wire to the negative, touch the yellow to the positive. That's blinking. That means that's your right turn signal. Yellow wire, right turn signal. It's blinking, you're good. Put that down. Next wire is the red. Touch your red till your red, you're positive on the battery. Oh, solid. Solid. That's your running light. It's solid. So again, we're gonna run through this. White wire, brake light. Blinks 3 times. It's solid. And you see it's extra bright. That's your brake light. Yellow light, right turn signal. Blue light, left turn signal. Red light, brake light. So that being said, make note of all the wires. You have 5 wires: black, white, red, blue, yellow. You touched all of them to your battery. Make note of what you have. R6 tail light. Your black is your ground. Your red is your running light. The white is your brake light. The blue is your left turn. The yellow is your right turn. Make note of what you have. And there you go. We can move on to the next step. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.